Today our topic is source of nutrients. Nutrients are found in the variety of foods that we eat. We have 6 types of food from where we get all nutrients. Types of food. Carbohydrates. Energy-giving foods, made up of sugars or starches. Examples are yam, banana, cassava, maize, rice. Protein. Make us grow strong and repair the body. Examples are beans, fish, egg. Fat. Also gives us energy for work and play. It keeps us warm. Examples are palm oil, soil, margarine, vegetable oil. Vitamins. It protects us from diseases. Examples are fruits, corn. Minerals. Help to form strong bones and teeth. Examples are milk, meat, vegetables, fruits, grains, beans, and starchy vegetables. Water. It carries other nutrients to all parts of the body and helps to remove wastes from the body. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.